Hey, let me show you a speaker sound quality test on the POCO F6 Pro, and I'm gonna play this Lawrence tribute song. By the way, and just to be sure, I'm gonna also enter for the sound and vibration and show you this sound effect settings. So as you can see, the Dolby Atmos is actually turned on, and the graphic equalizer is set for the custom. So these sliders are not actually changed. It's all default stuff. So now I'm gonna play it, and you can listen to the sound quality. Okay, so this is actually the speaker test of this device, and honestly, it sounds really good. The speaker quality is pretty nice, and there's also the dual stereo speakers at the bottom and at the top. So that's all for this video. Right now, please leave a like and subscribe.